In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to add DMARC record in Bluehost. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna go over the main steps for you to add a DMARC record in Bluehost. So to do this, you will have to access your cPanel and navigate to the DNS settings. So sign into your Bluehost account, and once you are properly signed in, access your cPanel or your domain management page. In there, you will have to navigate over to the DNS zone editor. So access the DNS settings for a specific domain or website that you own through Bluehost. Once you select the DNS category, you will find the options to add new rules, and usually this is going to be the option to add a new advanced DNS setting. So choose advanced DNS and then the option to add a new rule. Once you choose add rule or add record, you will be able to set it up however you like. Then fill in the record details. For the host, enter _DMARC. For the type, make sure that you choose TXT. And then points to, this is where you will define your DMARC policy and reporting settings. For this video, I won't be able to give you specific instructions on how to do this. I expect you to know the parameters that you want to set for your own DMARC policy, and if you yourself aren't aware, then it's recommended that you do your own research. Once you are aware, then just set it up accordingly on points 2. Afterwards, on TTL, which is optional, you can set up a time to live, a value be like 3600, which would be 1 hour, or for example 86400, which would equate to a day. Afterwards, click save or add, and you will have created the DMARC TXT record. You can repeat this process as necessary, and keep in mind that it can take up to 72 hours for the DMARC record to propagate. I hope I was able to help you on how to add DMARC record in Bluehost. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.